Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Academic Programs International, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Academic Programs International website. Locate the register button on the home page. Click on the register button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to the registration form. Begin filling in your personal information as prompted. Provide your full name as it appears on official documents. Enter your email address, ensuring it is valid and accessible. Create a strong password that meets the website's security requirements. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Next, fill in your date of birth in the specified format. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Provide your phone number with the correct country code. Now, indicate your area of study or academic interest. Review the privacy policy and terms of service links provided. Check the box to acknowledge that you agree with these terms. If required, answer any additional questions about your educational background. Click the Submit button to send your registration information. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Academic Programs International website. Log in using your email and the password you created. Explore the range of academic programs available for registration. Select any programs that align with your interests. Fill out any additional information required for program enrollment. Review all inputs for accuracy before final submission. Confirm your registration for the selected programs. You will receive further instructions regarding next steps via email. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Academic Programs International. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.